open edge of Greenwich Park, on the historic Blackheath, stands a Georgian jewel that's quietly watched centuries unfold, Ranger's House. Built in the early 1720s, this refined red brick mansion began life as a private residence for Vice Admiral Francis Hosier, a wealthy naval officer and one of the unsung figures of Britain's maritime age. Designed in classic Palladian style, the house reflects the taste of the early Georgian elite, where symmetry, restraint, and elegance ruled architecture. Its name, Ranger's House, comes from its later use as the official home of the Ranger of Greenwich Park, a post often given to royals or their close allies. The gardens of Ranger's House have evolved over centuries, reflecting the tastes of the elite who lived here. Originally laid out in the early 18th century, they likely featured formal Georgian landscaping, symmetrical paths, clipped hedges, and classical ornaments to match the house's Palladian style. In the 19th century, when Princess Sophia Matilda of Gloucester made the house her long-term residence, the gardens became more private and decorative, suited to royal leisure. Later occupants, including the Duke of Connaught, saw the grounds subtly reshaped to reflect Victorian preferences for softer, more natural landscaping. Today, the most striking feature is the rose garden behind the house, maintained by Greenwich Park. With over 40 varieties of roses and manicured borders, it's a peaceful reminder of the estate's refined past, where royalty once walked among the blooms. Among its most prominent residents was Princess Sophia Matilda of Gloucester, niece of King George III. She lived here from 1815 until her death in 1844, often entertaining aristocratic guests in the very rooms you see from above. This location, between the bustle of London and the tranquility of Greenwich, made it ideal for royal retreats. But it wasn't just used for leisure. In the late 19th century, the house became part of the Crown estate and was leased to distinguished individuals like the Duke of Connaught, Queen Victoria's third son, and later a Prussian prince. You might also recognize this house from the world of fiction. Ranger's House was chosen as the Bridgerton family residence in the hit Netflix series Bridgerton. Its stately Georgian facade served as the perfect backdrop for the elegance, drama, and romance of Regency-era London. Through film, the house found new fame, reintroducing this real historic site to millions across the globe. Today, Ranger's House holds the magnificent Wernher Collection, assembled by Sir Julius Wernher, a German-born diamond magnate whose fortune helped fill these halls with Renaissance paintings, medieval relics, and priceless European art. Though often overshadowed by nearby Greenwich attractions, Ranger's House offers a quiet window into aristocratic life, hidden away in plain sight. From a naval officer's ambition to royal grandeur, and from private luxury to public treasure, Ranger's House tells a story of how homes can become history.